Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to pay multiple supplier on 168 Chinese shopping app. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier either on Alipay or WeChat wallet, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how to import from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your 1688 Chinese shopping app. Having opened up your 1688, the next thing you want to do is to make sure you search for product. After you search for product, you have the product to cart before you can undo multiple payments to a Chinese supplier. However, if you don't know how to search for product or you don't know how to add product to cart, you can check the video on my channel from the playlist. I have made a lot of videos step by step on how you can add product to cart, how you can chat supplier about 1688 Chinese shopping app. Having had all the products to cart, next thing you need to do is to click on here to fill your cart. That's going to take you to all the products you have in your cart right here. So just like what you see right here, these are all products I have in my cart right away. Then for me to make payment to all these different store right here, or to make payment to all these different supplier right here, what I'm going to do is to simply click on here to select everything. So having select everything right here, you can scroll down and preview everything. This is about 10 different stuff in 1688. Next thing we want to do here is to click on here to proceed to checkout. And it's going to take you right here. So you can scroll down and check the preview of everything you have so far in your cart. Just like what you see right here. The more you scroll down, the more everything is going to load up. However, this depends on the number of products you have added to cart so far in 1688 Chinese shopping app. So right here in this tutorial, as you can see, I'm paying the sum of 470.80 yen to purchase all these products right here. Next thing we want to do is to click on here to proceed to checkout. So it's going to take us right here. As you can see right here, I'm paying the sum of 470.80 yuan. And I'm making payment with my Alipay, which has been checked already. However, you can also make payment with your MasterCard, whether Visa or MasterCard right here. But in this tutorial, I'm making payment with my Alipay. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on here to proceed to payment. Then allow the Alipay to connect. Then enter payment password to confirm your payment. Now, payment done successful. I make payment to about 10 different suppliers on 1688 Chinese shopping app. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to close this pop-up. I have to simply click on here to proceed to my profile. On getting to my profile, by the time I refresh my profile, all the 10 different stores I paid for is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. Just like so, you can see them right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how to import from China using 1688, Pinduoduo, Taobao, AliExpress, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund the Alipay account, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.